We have Fox on the line. Good morning, Fox.
Good morning, Daddy Hughes.
Morning, sir.
How you doing, Brethren?
Good.
I see the interview when me give last Thursday gone viral.
Which one was that? Which one was that? Tell me.
When me asked about Crawford and the PNP.
It got viral?
Gone viral, Daddy Hughes.
Trust
boy. Me, it's all I discuss for some other program.
Away, I said to me.
Yes, man. But anyway, listen. I watched that full debate on Friday.
Debate?
The debate in the Senate.
Oh.
With Senator Abka Fitzgerald and Lambert Brown.
Yes.
And you know, my brethren, sometimes I ask the question, what the real purpose of Lambert Brown? What the purpose he serve? Because I do up business and take the country for our my brethren. Imagine we are in a crisis where the storm is concerned and the government is spending millions of dollars trying to recover.
Yes.
And we cannot use the 70 odd billion that we have in the reserve. US that we have in the reserve.
Yes.
We can't allow that to run down.
Yes.
And in order to give a balance to the country, this government with Andrew Holness is trying to see as much, not to pressure us that he use out here.
Fox, when I heard I didn't see the debate, I just heard the contribution, some of it in the news and in the press. I said it this morning, the point made by Senator Brown is laughable. It must be a joke because he was not even attempting to be serious.
Yes.
Or to be studied. Yeah. It was and is a ludicrous point to make. Yeah. And that should not be said in the Senate.
Exactly.
Given the facts. Precisely, given the facts of the circumstances. Mr. Brown did himself a disservice, frankly.
Well, as usual, my brethren.
Yeah.
As usual. Listen to me. I see your nationwide thing put out an apology on what the Prime Minister said about really the people in the diaspora coming home.
Yes.
Out here that he used. People have it to say that the Prime Minister is calling those in the diaspora to come home, come have babies.
Yes, I saw
to help with the birth rate.
Yes, I saw the comments on online. Yes.
Yes.
And that went viral, and nationwide misreported the Prime Minister. Yes.
The full talk.
Yes, nationwide misreported the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister did not say that. Yes.
Yes.
What the Prime Minister was saying that, listen, we have a problem in terms of human capital output and productivity in the country. Yeah.
Yes.
We need to develop, our human resources, our people in Jamaica, get them to stay in Jamaica by fixing Jamaica so that they can become productive citizens here in Jamaica. Yeah. And he encouraged those who have gone overseas to come back home and contribute to the development of the country.
So me understand it, my brethren.
Yes.
Back home. So for instance, if you're a healthcare worker then overseas.
Yes.
And you love your country, you can come home and be a part of the health system to help build up the country so we can live, raise our family and do business.
Not to come and have babies. Even that wasn't the point.
Yes, man,
that
and then run with it.
Well, let's listen to what the Prime Minister said. By the way, Zimbabwe chasing 254 to win in their T20 response to the West Indies. They're struggling. They're 20 for 3 in the third over. West Indies dominant. But here's what the Prime Minister said.
It may shock you to learn that since 2018, our birth rate has fallen by 24%. You need to be growing by at least 2.1% to be at replacement. I'm speaking to the most productively fertile generation. And by the response, I know it is a topic that is of serious interest, but bear with me. So we're down 24%. Surprisingly, but counterintuitively, there's a view that, well, that means, well, your education budget should be reduced. You don't have to worry about, funding all kinds of social services, but it means less people to support the pension system, which one day you will need a pension system to support you. It means less people available for the labor force. How are we going to grow? If you layer inefficient bureaucracy on a tightening labor pool, what is going to happen is that wages are going to go way up and productivity is going to go way down. It's a serious social issue that we face. So I am very happy when I hear Jamaicans who have migrated saying, you know what, I want to come back home. We need to stimulate a net return, a net gain of talent back into Jamaica. Look, I know some of the things that I'm saying challenge your outlook and how you see things, but we can't continue to see things the same way we have seen them for the last 50 years. They have not served us well. We need to have a different thinking. So we have to encourage Jamaicans overseas to come back here and help us to build here. One of the challenges, of course, they talk about hospitals, the roads, but they do also talk about the frustrating bureaucracy. The good news is we are working to change the bureaucracy. Today is a critical step in that we are going to support you in a mindset shift, in a thinking that we must pursue efficiency in the same way as we pursue security or fiscal stability. We must pursue efficiency. Efficiency is a key driver for growth. And efficiency, it is more than technology. It is more than infrastructure. Efficiency is also culture. And for culture to change, you need a mind shift, a mindset shift. And hopefully today will be the start of a shift in mindset for the generation that is coming to take Jamaica to its destiny of a country that is prosperous, the place of choice to live, work, raise families, do business, and retire in paradise. Thank you.
Fox, there you have it. That's what the Prime Minister said.
So who no want to hear it, Daddy Hughes? Don't interested in what we are doing here in this country at this time and age.
Yes.
Last thing, I want to say, Daddy Hughes, well done, Prime Minister, in taking your full salary.
Oh, yes.
Well done. I've been calling for it. I deserve it. You know what, Daddy Hughes? I was skipping through the Gleaner in the cartoon section, and I see they have the Prime Minister with a big bag of money on him back walking out. And I think they're public saying that, oh, look like time get hard for everybody. You understand? And I never see them put up that when Mark Golding takes teams full salary. But we don't have no time for them. We don't focus on the locals, as Miss Kitty said.
And that's comedy. That is meant to be comedic.
I'm glad you say it, Bridget. That is comedy.
Yes.
I see Venetia by weekend, Bridget.
Jesus, here we go.
The woman look wash off, you say that he use.
Eh?
How we are say? Let me tell you something. The PNP then used to say Venetia a leak them secret. Venetia move on and come join me over here. I'm still hear their secret. That he use. Have a good day. Morning, Miss friend.
All right, Fox. Take care of yourself.
First one, Lambert Brown. Why don't you go and join a comedy club, Mr. Youth?
I don't know.
When I read what is he thinking? Does Mr. Brown think what he wants to say before he goes to the Senate?
Or he just decided that he's going to joke it out because they can't win the economic argument. So he's going to deflect, by joking it out.
But the Senate is not a place to go to joke out the national business, the nation's business, Mr. Youth. Melissa works to pieces and we didn't pay any taxes for 10 years and struggling and come to joke it out, Sir Hughes?
Yes, yes. Well, you have to make what you will of that. Yeah, and the Jamaican people will have to do the same.
All right, yeah, that's important thing now. I listened to Dr. Chang this morning.
Yes.
And I was saying to myself, Mr. Hughes, I've always been trumping on the station about Jamaicans for justice. Sometimes you tell me that I'm too harsh on them. But it has taken quite a while for somebody from the hierarchy of the government, especially the minister who is in charge of national security, to come and just lay it out on the table this morning and tell us exactly what he thinks it is and what I think also.
Yes. Well, he was very clear. I've never heard Dr. Chang so animated, so upset, yes, so, brutally honest, yeah. He's not given to that kind of way of speaking at all. And it means that he has had enough.
Yeah, we need FK to respond now to what he said about the blood money section.
Yes, yes. Mm-hmm.
Because I when I heard that part, I said, oh, Dr. Chang got this so. And then George responded. But Mr. Hughes, he came out swinging like the West Indies this morning, man.
Thank you very much, Ulrich. Take care.
And I've always told you, Mr. Hughes.
You what?
There is not my last.
I'm not hearing you.
I've told you that there is my last.
Boy, your line gone bad, Ulrich. Gone bad. All right, let's go to another caller. Good morning, Carl.
Morning, Mr. Hughes.
Good morning.
Welcome back.
Mm-hmm.
Anyhow, you have to give me a job organization right now.
Oh.
Because the Sunday day when you're dead, all in a church, me have to get up and answer phone.
How were you said to me?
And all after one, you still have to tell the people everything not go so. Because Desmond Mackenzie come on, and if not, they go so. Desmond Mackenzie that say.
Mm-hmm.
Anyhow, we're all the foolishness. We are going to circus tonight, Senate Friday.
We must reduce the Senate to a circus, do you know, Carl?
I understand you.
We must not.
I understand you.
It is the upper chamber, the upper house, and traditionally, the Senate has been the house where it is felt law making is far more deliberative, far more studied, far more informed, and usually of a higher quality and standard than the lower house. Yes?
And I understand you.
Okay.
But when you listen to what Lambert Brown said Friday, Lambert Brown forget what happened in the 90s to in the early part of the 2000s. Said down to the lady, sanitary napkin, did tax.
Mm-hmm.
And when you buy a phone card, you pay tax on it also, Lambert Brown. Now when you use it, Lambert Brown, you did pay tax on it again, Lambert Brown.
Mm-hmm.
Go and check it, Lambert Brown.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And if Lambert Brown remember what did happen to that, right down a 6 mile on Alex now own it, cast by trade union, and the whole Goodyear factory out of St. Thomas, Lambert Brown. What you said inside the parliament Tuesday make you look like a circle. But come to interested things this morning, boy, anything with them the doctor they give to Harris Strong. Anything with them the doctor they give to Harris Strong.
They took care of him.
They took care of him.
Yes.
But the only part where Harris Strong did this morning, what they say, is that it's the No Integrity Commission, in No Integrity Human Rights, them. I receive blood money. That's how you should have put it. Now left no stone unturned. But Harris Strong win for them this morning.
Well, Mr. Hughes,
Yes,
two
Mr.
kids
Carl.
dead since it lost about 13 to 14 days. One in Manchester and one in West Kingston.
Yes.
Where is Miss Jackson?
Mhm.
Where is Miss Jackson?
Mhm.
Silent. That's why Harris Chang could have came this morning and said they love to hear, almost use the word, so they love to hear that people are dead. That's why we call it more. So we did not tell you them things a long time, but we're glad Mr. Chang helped back me up this morning. Mr. Chang just finish and give it to us. So then can't say how we alone I say it now.
I hear you, Carl. I hear you.
So we're waiting for Jackson. When she come on 2 o'clock today, 1 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock today, we're waiting on her.
You're waiting on her. I'm sure she will respond.
Yeah.
To defend the honor and reputation of JFJ.
Well, if she not come and tell us, if we search the bank, then we put the money them a flow through. It won't make no sense.
All right, Carl. Take care of yourself.
All right.
Good.